ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us. Her name is Pratibha Gupta and her coach Sulagna is also here. And I was informed by Sulagna that Pratibha had thyroid, SLE lupus, osteoarthritis from 2017. Both knee replacement has been done. Ankle and shoulders were having a lot of swelling, pigmentation, skin pigmentation from 12-14 years. And she had corns under her feet and she was not able to walk the last 12-14 years. So let me come to Pratibha. And Pratibha, first of all, congratulations on coming in the Hall of Fame. So please unmute yourself and please share what has been your experience in naturopathy journey with your coach Sulagna. Over to you, Pratibha.
Hi everybody, and thanks Vishalji. We had a very nice journey in your naturopathy sessions. From childhood, I've always loved to heal myself through natural process. जैसे कोशिश करते थे कि यही सब कुछ लें, but जब नहीं होता था तो we had to go to the doctor anyway. जब ज्यादा हो जाता था. And from childhood मेरा problems कुछ ना कुछ रहा ही है. So wheezing से लेके अस्थमा रहा है, then TB हुआ, then विटलाइगो भी हुआ. So वो सब तो मैंने धीरे धीरे हील हो गया, कोई ना कोई तरीके से होता गया. बट ऑफ लेट देन 2017 में मेरा नीज भी रिप्लेस हो गया. देन उसके बाद आई थॉट आई एम फाइन नाउ, बट देन शुरू हुआ एंकल का जर्नी शुरू हो गया. सो एंड आई वाज ऑन सम मेडिकेशंस. लूपस भी था मुझे, मतलब एज डॉक्टर सेड. सो ANA ट्रिपल पॉजिटिव निकला था. सो ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट दे हैड डायग्नोज्ड दैट I had lupus. So I was on HCQS 200 tablet and they said that is the mildest one. तो मैं वो ले रही थी. मेरे एंकल में last 2 years से मेरे एंकल में भी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गया. So there was deformity थोड़ा होने लग गया था उसमें. एंकल में ज्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम हो गया. So when I went and showed to the doctor, so they asked me to take methotrexate. शोल्डर में भी एक्चुअली degeneration होने लग गया था. So that time I didn't realize, जब मैं ड्राइविंग करती थी तो पेन होता था. So I started taking right hand को यूज करने लग गई. I didn't realize that there was a deformity going on. तब I became more aware and I was really like scared. Then I went to the doctor and उन्होंने methotrexate जब बोला तो I thought no, I don't want to take this. And I don't know, somehow we connected. Facebook पे आपका वो webinar का आया naturopathy का, and just I joined it. And the thing is that join करते ही first thing जब आपने MRP बोला, and मेरे लिए it was like I didn't know कि this much difference. So मैंने जैसे ही आपका वो मिल्क का सोचा, then I realized कि yes, actually हम लोग ने कभी सोचा नहीं कि हम जब प्रेग्नेंट होते हैं तो हम कोई मेडिकेशन नहीं लेते हैं. एंड काउज वगैरह दे हैव बीन ट्रीटेड विद सो मच ऑफ दिस, एंड वही हम खा रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली कुड बी अ प्रॉब्लम. सो मैंने इमीडिएटली मिल्क को पूरा बंद कर दिया, मिल्क को. एंड आई वाज इतना ज्यादा, मैं आरपी तो ज्यादा नहीं लेती थी, पैक्ड फूड और वो, बिकॉज मैं खुद ही कॉन्शियस हूँ. बट एम को निकालते ही मेरा पाँव का दर्द, आई डिडंट हैव टू गो टू डॉक्टर ओनली. आई हैव नॉट सीन द रूमेटोलॉजिस्ट टिल नाउ फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 years, जो कि मुझे एक्चुअली जाके आई वांटेड टू गो एंड शो हिम, एंड ये कि मुझे वो जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ा. Then I thought okay, जब ये हुआ है तो because I want, ये नहीं कि आज मैं ठीक हूँ कल मैं फिर से कुछ परेशानी हो जाए. So I thought कि okay, at least I should know what treatment I should be doing to continue in a positive way. तब मैंने आपका वो मेटा ज्वाइन किया था, and definitely I got relief in these things, and I didn't know कि इतना छोटा changes actually हम dietary changes हुए. इसमें तो आपने कोई medication तो हमें दिया नहीं है. So it was just dietary changes that made a lot of difference in my life. So I am very thankful to you and to Coach Sulagna, who has been very patient.
Great. So thank you so much, Pratibha, for elaborate, and more power to you. Just the beginning. We are meant to live for 150 years.
My aim is not that. I want जितने दिन रहे अच्छे रहे. 150 years is too much to live.
I like that. Great. तो आपके कोच के पास आते हैं, सुलग्ना के पास. So Sulagna, how has been your journey with Pratibha?
Hi everyone. Hi Vishal. Good evening. प्रतिभा जी ने काफी कुछ नहीं बोला है, जैसे कि कौन तो उनका हील हो गया. अभी मेरे को बोल रहे थे ऊपर नीचे सीढ़ियाँ करती है, और
कौन तो मेरे पाँव में ऐसा हालत था कि I think it was all the side effects of the medicines that I was taking. मैं नंगे पैर तो चल ही नहीं सकती थी, तो मेरे को तो घर पे भी सब जगह मैं मैट्स बिछा रखी हूँ, so that अगर नंगे पैर चलना भी पड़ा तो I am walking on the mats. And जैसे हम मंदिर वगैरह जाते थे, 2-2, 3-3 सॉक्स को मैं पहन के जाती थी, so that because वहाँ पे नंगे पैर चलना पड़े तो I can't walk.
He was having pain also in the ankle and the knee, right?
वो तो उसी के साथ ही ठीक हो, काफी हो गया था. But yeah, definitely आपका इससे लेने से मेरा पिगमेंटेशन में भी कमी आई है. I had a very nice flawless skin, and all of a sudden I never realized that इतना pigmentation हो गया, and probably that was all due to my medications or things that much I was taking. So on the forehead and this side, definitely it did help, and that was only just for 3 months I had taken the Meta.
Yeah, amazing. So Sulagna, anything else you would like to add?
Yeah. I would like to add few things. I haven't introduced Pratibha ji. She has done her textile designing
Wow.
before wedding. She has two beautiful daughters, and one is pursuing her career in genetics, BSc genetics in Australia. The younger one, and the elder one is she was a graphic designer in web series in Hotstar, Bollywood movies. Yeah, and then husband is in IISc Bangalore. And coming back to her hobbies, she has a lot of interest in the spiritual domain. And after COVID, she started doing meditation and this Reiki healing, and she became a Reiki grandmaster also. And then she has also done courses on occult science like crystal healing and some other healing also she has done. I think angel healing. And her hobbies are like mural painting and singing. She sings really nice. And Pratibha ji, she used to ask me lot of questions, like coming back to her health. Sometimes I get irritated, like so many questions. Why this kasha and why this diet? What is the secret behind? Why are we taking which all kashas are for which all diseases? Every time she will be asking this.
Great.
And she is also having great interest in serving people. So she cooks, like every Saturday she cooks food by her own hand and then serves the needy people as well. She does charity, and her health issues have I think reduced, I think 60%, 60-70% reduced. I mean, I would say if some disease is like 17-18 years, quite old, it requires time to be healed. Right. I think if Pratibha ji will continue with the diet, then all her problems will be resolved.
Definitely.
And yeah, so I have this much to say about Pratibha ji, and thank you so much, Pratibha ji, for having the trust, faith in us. And you are invited to Hall of Fame because you healed most of the diseases. And thank you so much.
So guys, everybody please type MPTY for both the beautiful souls, Pratibha and Sulagna. Type MPTY in the chat box. Thank you.
Thank you.